How to achieve fast and efficient simultaneous sealing of hot, pot oil dipping sauce jars and small sauce containers. Double-head plastic can sealing machine, a high-efficiency sealing solution designed specifically for small oil pan cans, optimized for small can openings and cap shapes. The sealing force is gentle yet stable, ensuring a leak-proof seal without damaging the delicate can. It operates smoothly, occupies a small area, and can be easily integrated into high-speed production lines. It is a powerful tool for packaging, condiments and dipping sauces. Automated control, simple operation, quick production changeover, and adjustment, adaptable to various small tank specifications. Get efficient small jar sealing solutions. We help speed up your condiment packaging process.